Did you know that your legs can regain their natural strength in just 3 minutes a day, without weights, gyms, or pain? In Japan, this is possible thanks to a set of 4 reflex movements designed to reactivate muscle strength, improve blood circulation, and restore stability throughout the entire body. Today, you'll discover the Japanese reflex secrets that strengthen your legs, boost circulation, and restore the confidence to move freely, all through the gentle intelligence of movement. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share where you're watching from. Movement 1. Namanori Undo. Have you ever noticed how ocean waves never stop? They only change form. The Japanese believe the body should move the same way. When we stay still for too long, circulation slows down, the legs feel heavy, and the body loses its natural rhythm. But there's a simple movement, inspired by the fluidity of the waves, that reactivates this dormant energy and restores lightness to the legs. Namanori Undo, the wave movement. This exercise is practiced in longevity clinics in Japan to restore balance and reactivate the natural flow of energy throughout the body. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your knees slightly bent, as if standing on a stable board. Now move your hips gently up and down, letting your arms follow naturally. Then change the pattern. Sway your body side to side, always leading with the hips. The torso and arms simply follow. Effortlessly, your breathing should remain calm and continuous. Inhale as your body rises, exhale as it returns. Avoid stiffness. The secret is to let the body find its own rhythm. Over time, you'll feel your hips loosen, your legs steadier, and your mind calmer. Do 10 to 12 oscillations in each direction, up and down, side to side. The ideal time is in the morning, to wake up the body and activate its energy. The Japanese call this educating the body through instinct. Because the movement is simple, yet it teaches the nervous system to respond with precision and calm. In just 1 minute, blood begins to flow freely again, and a feeling of warmth and stability rises from the feet to the heart. And in this state of lightness and presence, the body prepares for the next Japanese reflex, the movement that awakens the silent engine of vitality. The hips, movement 2. Half squat. Flow, most people believe leg strength fades with age, but in Japan, they say it fades because we stop bending. The hips and thighs are the body's silent engine responsible for power, balance, and independence. When these muscles stiffen, even simple actions like standing up or climbing stairs become difficult. That's why Japanese therapists created a reflex movement that restores flexibility and awakens dormant strength, the half-squat flow. To practice, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your knees slightly bent, as if sitting on an invisible chair. Lower yourself gently, keeping your back straight, and rise again with control, not speed. This flow activates the large muscles of your thighs and hips while protecting your joints. Just a few repetitions increase blood flow, improve coordination, and remind your body what it feels like to move with stability and confidence. Start with 5 slow repetitions, paying attention to posture and breathing. As your body adapts, gradually increase to 8 to 10 repetitions per set. The secret lies in rhythm. It's not about force, but harmony. Each descent strengthens your foundation. Each rise teaches your body balance through movement. This Japanese reflex rebuilds not only the legs, but also the connection between mind and muscle. And once the base feels strong again, it's time to refine the smallest part of all, the ankles, where true stability begins. Movement 3. Ankle rotation. Reflex, most people never think about their ankles until they stop working properly. But in Japan they say that when the ankle stiffens, the body begins to age. That's because the ankles are the foundation of every movement. They absorb impact, stabilize posture, and send vital information to the brain about balance. When they lose mobility, the whole body becomes hesitant. But with a simple reflex, that flow can return. The ankle rotation reflex is a traditional Japanese exercise used to preserve joint flexibility and improve stability. While seated or standing, lift one foot slightly and draw slow, deliberate circles with your ankle, 10 times in one direction and 10 in the other. This gentle rotation lubricates the joints, increases circulation, and awakens the small stabilizing muscles that protect you from falls. Within minutes, warmth spreads through the legs, and the base of the body feels lighter and more secure. It may seem like a small gesture, but this is where the secret of Japanese vitality truly begins, in the quiet intelligence of the body's foundation. Each rotation sends a message to your nervous system. I am balanced, I am strong, I am stable. And now that your feet, legs, and hips are working together again, it's time to close the circle and understand how these reflexes awaken not only strength, but also confidence and life itself. Movement 4. Vital arm rotation. Among the traditional exercises of Radio Taiso, there's one that perfectly symbolizes the balance between strength and lightness. Arm rotation. It looks simple, but it's one of the most effective practices for restoring shoulder mobility, releasing chest tension, and re-establishing the natural energy flow throughout the body. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your knees slightly bent. Bring your arms to the sides of your body and slowly lift them to shoulder height. At this point, turn your palms upward and continue the movement as far as is comfortable, drawing a large circle in the air. Exhale slowly as you lower your arms, feeling the air glide through your hands. Repeat 5 to 8 times, maintaining a smooth, continuous rhythm, inhaling as you rise, exhaling as you lower. With each rotation, your shoulders open, your chest expands, and your body finds its axis. The movement becomes a breath made visible. The Japanese say, a body that moves in harmony never hardens, because the circle is nature's form, no beginning, no end, only continuity. Thus, arm rotation is not merely an exercise, but a reminder that vitality is born from steady, serene motion in just 3 minutes a day. These 4 Japanese reflex movements awaken the body's forgotten intelligence, the instinct to move with balance, grace, and confidence. Each gesture revives a layer of vitality, the balance of the mind, the strength of the hips, the agility of the ankles, and the harmony of posture. Together, they reprogram not just how you move, but how you exist within your own body. Japanese researchers call this process neural re-education, the body teaching the brain to trust movement again. And the elders of Okinawa explain it more simply. The body remembers what the heart never forgets. With consistency, softness, and awareness, your muscles grow smarter, your steps lighter, and your confidence stronger. It's not about fighting aging, it's about flowing with it. So, start today. 3 minutes, 4 movements, and 1 decision. To stay alive in every sense of the word. Because when you move with presence, the body listens, and when it listens, it heals. As they say in Japan, those who move every day live every day.